I'm Dr. Dana Delaware. I teach chemistry at Truman State University, and generally during the summer I teach the chemistry Joseph Baldwin Academy course. I've been doing it for about a little bit more than 10 years. It's a chemistry course. We're going to learn about chemistry. The first week we're going to deal with the periodic table, elements, naming their structure, especially using Lewis dot structure, talking about balancing equations and how to do those activities. That's usually in the morning when we do lecture. The afternoon we deal with lab. And the first week of lab, we're trying to introduce them to lab safety, get them used to playing with glassware. So we do some simple experiments during the first week. The second week we want to get the math part of chemistry. Math is very much important in chemistry because it allows you to understand the terminology. So we talk about the mole and molarity, solution chemistry, and we get a little bit more aggressive in the lab. We do a titration of fruit juices to measure vitamin C, we make aspirin, we measure our iron in artificial blood, so we're getting a little bit more technique oriented. And the third week we move into water. I think it's very important for them to understand the importance of water in everyday life and in the environment. So we analyze water. We analyze water for pollutants such as nitrates, turbidity, sulfates, water hardness, and we're going to end up the lab titrating or determining the molecular weight of an unknown substance. We also do some fun labs. We also do a tie-dye shirt during the first week to talk about color. These are organic colors, dyes are organic compounds, and then we move into the second week. We have a fun lab where we make frescoes, which we deal with inorganic color, and we'll also make Play-Doh and fun things to do that. So we have one day of fun in lab. We also have some field trips. We talk about water, so we go to the Kirksville Water Purification Plant. That's just to show them how they take lake water and make it one of the best drinking waters in the world. And then we do have a trip. We do have to take a trip to Continental Cement in Hannibal, Missouri. That is a plant that, as you guess by the name, makes cement. And it's a very famous plant. They put cement, their cement was used for the Panama Canal and Empire State Building. To show the process of a process plant where they take rock and make cement, and let the process go into that, how they burn hazardous waste and make sure that the air is not contaminated with that. So give them a practical experience of what chemistry is in the chemistry industry. 3 weeks and we cover almost a complete college course in chemistry for the non-science major. Also to learn the concepts that they will probably see again in high school and in college if they take chemistry, so they have a strong foundation. Also working in teams, because we do a lot of team projects and assignments and in labs, so we build team building skills. We also have a couple of library assignments where they have to do some creative writing, so hopefully that starts improving their creative writing skills. I think they enjoy the demos. We have a lot of a demo a day, basically, from Mentos and Diet Coke, from flaming bubbles, which is methane bubbles that rise in the air, and you can light them with a candle and they just blow up in a nice flame. Playing with dry ice, filling a balloon to see if it can pop after the dry ice expands. I think they enjoy the lab too. They enjoy getting in and playing with glassware, and they're pretty good. We really don't have much breakage, as you might expect for 7th, 8th, 9th graders. So I think the overall, getting into science, playing with science, I hope they walk away with, so they get excited about science, and some of them will continue on and take up science as a career. In 3 weeks we do 14 labs. So we have 12 days because we have 2 field trips, and we have 1 day orientation, so let's say we have 12 days to do 14 labs. And we get them done. Okay. Some better than others, but we get them done.